In this video, we will take a look at a few medium difficulty keywords. It's very important that you be able to tell an easy keyword from a medium difficulty keyword just by looking at the data Keyword Revealer gives you. Let's look at this one now, best recliner chairs. The keyword difficulty score is 35. It gets 720 searches a month, and of the exact match domains, .com and .net are taken. Only .org remains. This is a sign that it most possibly is not an easy keyword. While none of the top 10 results are optimized for the phrase, the lone site with a DA less than 20 has more than 1000 links. This is a medium difficulty keyword. You can easily rank for such keywords when your site has at least around 50 pages of highly relevant content and is about a year old. But you would not want to target such a keyword when your site is, say, 10 pages in size and 2 months old. Let's now see this one, best twin mattress. This has a keyword difficulty of 35 and gets 1300 searches a month. All of the exact match domains are available. There is only one site with domain authority less than 20 and it has 302 backlinks. And it's ranking in the 6th position. Let's take a look at this site now. Let's see how big this site is. You can use the site command in Google to find out how big a site is. The site, as you can see, has 45 pages. What you would want to note is this. This is a 45-page site about mattresses with a good amount of relevant content. And even with 302 backlinks, it's only ranking at the 6th position. So this is a medium difficulty keyword. You will be able to easily rank for such keywords with a highly relevant site with good on-page SEO. But you shouldn't take on such keywords with a new site that has just a handful of pages. Not unless you are a SEO professional with a powerful blog network. Let's now check best compound bow. The difficulty score is 28 and it gets 4400 searches a month and the .com is taken. Now take a look at the on-page optimization of the top 10 results. Most of these are well optimized for the phrase. So this certainly is not an easy phrase. There are quite a few sites with domain authority less than 20 in the top 10, but most of them seem to be well optimized. You do not want to target such phrases initially. This is a medium competition phrase. But here's something else you can do. You can instead target best compound bow for the money. It gets searched 1000 times a month and the .com is taken. But the sites in the top 10 are not optimized for this phrase. What you can do is target this phrase when your site is still relatively new and does not have the authority to take on the bigger players. And as your site ages and acquires more authority, it will also start ranking better for the shorter phrase best compound bow. In fact, this is what many SEOs do. They target longer phrases with more words initially. And as their sites age and gain Google's trust, they will also start ranking better for the shorter phrases.